This law was originally designed to help prevent the increase in healthcare costs in North Carolina, but you say it hasn't met that goal.
That's right. It was passed under the thinking that the reason healthcare costs are increasing is because hospitals are adding too much equipment, too many beds, too many facilities. And so what we needed was a central planner to decide where and when need for those things would arise. And as is the case, when you restrict competition, when you restrict supply, prices increase.
You say in your report this basically flies in the face of the basics of economics, that this is completely 180 degrees out of phase.
Oh, yeah, that's completely it. I mean, putting a central planner in everywhere it's been tried is essentially going to increase prices. It's restricting supplies, it's restricting access, and that has led essentially to oligarchy pricing.
North Carolina is not the only state that tried certificate of need laws, but your report shows that many other states that had these laws got rid of them.
Yeah, the federal mandate for it expired in the late 80s, and subsequently 14 states got out of it. North Carolina is still in it, and North Carolina actually has one of the more restrictive programs covering 25 different services.
Now, when you talk about covering the services, what are the types of things that a certificate of need covers?
It covers things like nursing homes, hospital beds, different kinds of equipment. One of the ones that everyone was impressed with here was gamma knives, which I think is used in brain surgery. Anyway, lots of different things.
So basically anyone who wants to have a gamma knife has to get the permission of the state to do it. What should North Carolina do about its certificate of need law?
North Carolina should just end the certificate of need law and join the other states that have gotten out of it. If we want to uphold the principle behind it, which is worthwhile in trying to keep healthcare prices down, that's what we need to do, especially with all the uncertainty over the Affordable Care Act.